Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
Rain is falling in the Treasure Valley right now. My extended forecast to give you an idea of what's to come. Drier weather for tomorrow and a brisk day. We'll still get into the 40s, but colder than today. Record high today of 58 degrees. In Boise, a rain, shower, or sprinkle. A chilly start to your Saturday, but a lot of sunshine. Not a bad day, although some snow showers in the mountains. Next storm system for the valley could bring some snow during the commute on Monday morning as the temperature drops below freezing and precipitation moves in. Another storm Tuesday night, Wednesday. Tough call, whether rain or snow. Thursday, a secondary system comes in and it gets colder. That one would be snow. Well, it doesn't look like a big one, but it doesn't take a big snow to really get the Treasure Valley slick as far as the roads go. This is a Cabbage Hill. This is I-84 over the Oregon, basically the Blues here. The roads are wet right now. The snow had fallen. We may still have snow falling, but the roads are wet over the Blues right now. Good news there. And Smiths Ferry, look at the temperature, just above freezing. This is wet. So this is Smiths Ferry. It's wet. Smiths Ferry is wet, but the snow is beginning to accumulate in the McCall area at Payette Lake. You see the snow here. I'm going to stop it this afternoon and see if it stops in the right spot. How about this? At 4:05, caught a little bit of a migration going here right on the south side of Payette Lake. A few deer walking on through as the snow began to accumulate. Watch the roof of this little, see it right here? It's starting to turn white. That's the snow accumulating now as the sun has gone down. And so I would expect at 5,000 feet roads to become snow covered, and a lot of snow could be moving in. So we had rain earlier at Brundage Resort. Watch what happened at the base now at 4:50. It didn't take long. 2 3/4 of an inch of snow. Then they cleared the snow stake and we're back up to another 2. So that's 4 3/4 of an inch of snow already at the base of Brundage Resort. So some great news there. And this is going to be the Tamarack Live snow stake. I'm just going to change my computer here so you can actually see what it looks like. And this is the mid-mountain camera right now. The snow is really coming down. And again, a few inches of snow at Tamarack Resort as well. You see it accumulating there in the trees. And the ski resorts, Brundage and Tamarack are going to see upwards to 10 inches, maybe a foot, especially Brundage Resort, just because of the target of moisture headed in that direction. Less at Bogus Basin, but it will be turning over to snow. You see rain from Boise and points westward. Some of the heavy rain showing up where you see that yellow there. Some bursts of rain coming down. Could be a 1/4 inch in some locations. Tracking off north and east, the whole line is sliding to southeast as moisture down here to the south developing as well. So a rainy night for most locations tonight. There's no radar coverage in Central Valley County because of Bogus Basin blocking the radar beam, but this is the moisture tracking up and the snow will continue. McCall could see 6 inches of snow out of this, a little less as you go further down Long Valley to maybe 3 inches, so we'll call it 3 to 6 inches under this winter weather advisory region here, but the higher elevations, we're talking 10 to 12 inches of snow in some of these places. So a big low pressure system here, cold air finally swinging in, should suppress this high pressure for a while, but it will still be a battle of cold and mild as far as will we get rain or snow in the valleys. You won't be back in the upper 50s, but there are some systems coming in, and there's a wet weather pattern. A new outlook for February came out, and it shows below normal temperatures across the northwest, right up to here in northern Idaho, normal temperatures in southern Idaho, and above normal precipitation right across Idaho. And so as we end January, begin February, I think it's going to be very wintry and much better news for the ski areas, a better finish than a start. So this is what we have so far. Already snow is falling. We could see additional accumulations of what we're seeing right here. Sun Valley in town, maybe an inch, but several inches could be falling in the higher elevations. 3 to 6 inches in McCall from this storm, 3 to 5 on Monday, 3 to 6 next Wednesday. You get my drift here. Snow coming in, another 1 to 2 possible on Thursdays. Here's the ski resort, 7 to 13 at Brundage Resort, 6 to 12 Tamarack, 2 to 5 Bogus, Sun Valley, 2 to 6 inches of snow likely as we see a good dousing of snow with this first storm system coming in. My exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today in the Treasure Valley. Low temperatures should stay just above freezing tomorrow. We will get into the 40s during the afternoon, but a brisk breeze will make it feel colder. We'll have a deep blue sky with puffy clouds and maybe a sprinkle or a snow flurry or a little sleet trying to pop in under one of those snow showers. Could even coat the ground just above the valley floor. 3 to 6 inches in the West Central Mountains, 6 to 13 in the higher elevations. You see 4 to 10 above 6,800 feet. So Stanley, Sun Valley, about an inch in Sun Valley, 2, maybe 3 inches in the Stanley area. Dry on Saturday in the valley, but there's the storm systems coming in. Our next threat for snow in the Treasure Valley on the ground could be for the Monday morning commute and another storm on Wednesday.
That's a great lineup for the mountains.
It is a great, and for our snowpack, which was 64%, I wouldn't doubt us getting close to 100% by the second week of February. That's a long way out. But.
All right, looks good. Thanks, Scott. As the